Today I'm going to show you how to create this negative text effect all inside Premiere Pro. Let's go. Okay, so I have my clip here and I'll play it so you can hear the audio. You just need to step away from the desk to find your best ideas. So the first thing we want to do with our audio selected is come up to the text, and you'll have to click transcribe here, but if it's already out like this, all you have to do is click this create captions button, then click the down arrow here, and we're just going to drag these to the beginning and change the lines to single and click create captions. Now that we have our captions here, I'm going to come up to the properties and I'm going to change the font, and I'm going to change the font size as well. Now with all of my text selected, I'm going to come up to the graphics and titles and click upgrade caption to graphic. Now I'm going to zoom in here. Now if I select my text and come up to the effect controls, all you want to do is come down to the blend mode and change it from normal to difference. Now if I move the text, you can see wherever I move it, it's going to change based on the background. So for this example, I'll just put it in the middle. Now if you want to apply this to all of your text, I made a free preset that I'll leave the link in the description for. So all you have to do is come to the effects, look for the negative effect preset, and drag it onto all of your text. And just like that, we created the negative text effect. If you want to take it a step further, you can add some text animations just like that. So I'm going to add this slide up from my text pack. I'll leave the link down in the description if you want to check it out. And that just adds that nice animation to it. Anyways, that's going to be the end of this video. Please make sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials soon, and let me know what you want to see next. And if you want to get text animations like the one I showed you in this video, please make sure to check out the link in the description for my new cinematic text pack. Otherwise, I'll see you guys later. Peace.